Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through a straightforward and effective way to earn up to $100 just by writing reviews. It's an easy method that doesn't require much effort, and it all takes place on a website called Capterra. If you haven't heard of it yet, Capterra is a platform where people share their personal experiences and opinions about a wide range of software products. The best part is that Capterra allows you to write reviews on a variety of digital tools and services. Whether you use Google Drive to organize your files, PayPal for online payments, Trello to manage projects, Dropbox to store documents, or even more niche software, you can write a review and get paid for your time. This is a great way to put your experiences with software to use, helping others make informed decisions while earning money at the same time. So, let's dive into how it works and how you can start making money writing reviews today. To begin, visit Capterra's website, a platform dedicated to helping users find the right software solutions. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of software options displayed across different categories. Each software listed comes with a brief description and key features to help guide your decision-making. If any of the options catch your eye, simply click on the name of the software and you'll be directed to a detailed review page. On this review page, you'll find feedback and ratings from other users who have already tried the software. These reviews provide valuable insights into the software's performance, its strengths, and any potential weaknesses. In addition to reading others' reviews, you're also encouraged to share your own experiences. Capterra allows users to leave their feedback after using the software. However, there's an important condition to keep in mind if you want to earn compensation for your review. You must have actually used the software. Reviews based on genuine first-hand experience are the only ones eligible for payment. If you've used the product and feel confident in your assessment, you can leave an honest review detailing how it worked for you, whether it was beneficial or not. This ensures that all feedback on Capterra remains trustworthy and helpful to others looking for software solutions. To begin, the first step is to sign up for Capterra if you haven't created an account yet. You have a few options for registration. You can use your Google account or LinkedIn credentials, or you can opt to create a new account by providing your email address and selecting a password. Once you've successfully completed the sign-up process and set up your account, you'll be all set to start reviewing software and products on the platform. Navigate to the Reviews section of the website. In this area, you'll find a wide variety of software tools listed, and you have the option to browse through them according to different categories. If you're already familiar with certain tools from previous experiences, feel free to select one that you've used before. You can then begin writing your review based on your genuine experience with the software. It's crucial to understand that your review doesn't have to be purely positive. Whether your experience was good or bad, the most important thing is to be honest in your assessment. Capterra values transparency and authenticity in the feedback provided by users. Your review should focus on delivering insightful and constructive feedback, as that's exactly what Capterra seeks from its contributors. Providing valuable information can help other users make informed decisions about the software they are considering. If you're new to using the software, there's no need to worry. I've got a simple trick that will help you get started. Let's say you're looking to review Slack. The first step is to select Slack from the list of software options. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about yourself. This will include details like your name, email address, job title, the industry you work in, and the size of your company. These are all quick and easy to fill in. Once that's done, Capterra will ask you how often you use Slack. If you're a regular user, you can indicate whether you use Slack daily or weekly. It's important to choose the option that reflects your actual usage. Try to avoid selecting monthly unless that accurately describes your usage, as it may give the impression that you lack the experience needed to leave a well-informed review. By being honest about your frequency of use, you'll ensure that your review is taken seriously and provides valuable insights for others. Next, you'll assess various features of the software, including its overall quality, ease of use, customer support, and value for money. It's important to be honest when giving your ratings. You don't have to give everything 5 stars. If there was something about the software that didn't meet your expectations or needs, feel free to give it a lower rating. This section is meant to reflect your true opinion based on your experience with the software. Whether you found certain features useful or lacking, your feedback is important in providing a balanced and honest review. Once you've completed the task of rating the features, you will arrive at the most crucial part of the review process, writing the actual review. This step is essential because it's where you communicate your overall thoughts and experience with the product or software. However, it can be challenging, particularly if you haven't had direct experience with the software. Don't let this intimidate you, though. There is a straightforward approach you can take to ensure your review remains clear, informative, and helpful for others. To begin, you should search for a review of Slack on Google. You can do this by typing a search phrase like Slack review Capterra, and you'll come across numerous detailed reviews written by other users. This is where you can save yourself a lot of time. While these reviews provide useful insights, you should not copy the content directly. Instead, you can paraphrase the review. This means you will rewrite the review in your own words while still retaining the original meaning and key points. By doing this, you avoid plagiarism and ensure that your review is original and will be accepted. To make the process of paraphrasing simpler, there are tools available, such as Quillbot or Spinbot, that can help. These tools allow you to input the text from the review and automatically rephrase it using different words. For example, you could paste the review into one of these tools, and it will generate a new version with different wording, making it easier for you to write an original review. After that, you can copy the reworded version and paste it into your review, ensuring that it flows well. While paraphrasing the review, you should pay attention to organizing the content into different sections, like the pros, cons, and your overall experience. This will help maintain a clear structure in your review and ensure you address all the key points. Once you have successfully paraphrased the review and formatted it correctly, you might be prompted with additional optional questions. For instance, there could be a question asking if you switched from another product to Slack. This is an optional question, so if you don't have an answer or don't feel the need to answer it, you can simply leave it blank. When everything is complete, take a moment to review your submission to ensure that the review is well written and accurately reflects your opinions. Once you're satisfied with your work, submit the review and you're done. Let's dive deeper into how much money you can earn from Capterra. Writing reviews won't make you rich, but it can still be a way to make some extra cash. For your first review, you'll earn $5. After that, for the next 10 reviews you write, you'll earn $10 each. That means you'll earn a total of $105 for completing 11 reviews. However, after you've written those 11 reviews, the payments stop, and you won't earn any more money from writing reviews on Capterra. But there's more to making money on Capterra than just writing reviews. If you're looking to boost your earnings, you can take advantage of Capterra's referral program. This allows you to refer other people to the site and earn additional income. For each person you refer who signs up and begins writing reviews, you'll earn $5. The best part is that you can refer up to 10 people, which means there's the potential to earn an extra $50. Beyond reviews and referrals, Capterra offers even more opportunities for making money. The platform is extremely popular, with millions of visitors every month. In fact, according to SimilarWeb, Capterra receives around 3.5 million visits each month, with a significant 43% of that traffic coming from the United States alone. This is a key factor because it demonstrates that there's a large and active audience looking for software reviews. For people wanting to make money online, this high volume of traffic creates a valuable opportunity. The large number of visitors searching for software reviews makes it a prime spot for earning income, whether through writing reviews, referrals, or simply tapping into the platform's expansive reach. With the combination of paid reviews, referral earnings, and Capterra's immense user traffic, it's clear that there are multiple ways to generate income, even if it's not a life-changing amount. Still, it's a legitimate side hustle that can offer extra money, especially for those looking to work from home or earn passive income. Now, let's think about how we can leverage this opportunity even further. Writing reviews on Capterra can indeed earn you some extra cash, but there's another way to significantly boost your earnings. People don't only search for reviews on websites like Capterra, they also actively search for reviews on YouTube. In fact, there's a massive demand for software review videos on the platform, and if you create videos reviewing the same software you're already writing about, you could potentially make much more money. For example, if you create a video reviewing popular software like Slack or any other trending tool, people will inevitably search for it on YouTube. If your video gains traction and starts to accumulate views, you can begin earning ad revenue once your channel meets the criteria for monetization. So, if you're serious about making money online, creating videos centered around software reviews could be the most profitable path for you. It combines the potential for passive income from ads, affiliate commissions, and long-term growth, offering a much higher earning potential than simply writing reviews on review sites like Capterra. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.